So, anong sabi?
Should you ask?
Should you ask your partner about their sexual history?
Body count.
Sexual?
History.
Oh my gosh. We fought
Baka
about
mas
that.
marami ako, hindi ko tatanungin.
Feeling ko.
Hindi, joke lang.
Hindi.
Hindi na kailangan eh. I mean, like for me, past is past. Like kahit 100 pa yung tinira niya, pagdating niya sa akin, ang galing niya na, okay na ako dun.
So, kung yung date mo, alam mong mass murderer, ipagtetest mo ba siya ng HIV?
Of course.
Okay.
Alam mo ano yung prerequisite sa akin yun?
Prerequisite sa'yo
Oo.
yun?
Kailangan may test ka bago tayo mag-chorba.
Test ka bago ko mahawak ang test mo.
Kailangan mo nang i-test. Kailangan mo nang i-test mic kita. Test mic, hello, ganon.
No, pero you know, practice makes perfect, and I do believe that perfect timing is everything.
That's
so
true.
at the time I was practicing, and everything happened for a reason, and it was a perfect time.
Okay, Rico.
practice.
Pagtanggol mo yung sarili mo.
So yun na yun. Uy, diyan lang. Uy, naaway na. Gumagawa na naman ng away. New Year tayo. Gumagawa
Hindi,
ng
okay
away
lang
kasi-
yan. At least honest ka, di ba? Mass murder.
Hindi ako I always ask eh. Kasi ano siya eh. Siyempre, it
Ikaw ba magdodraw? Ako na.
it tells
Hindi,
you.
ako na. Huy.
Okay.
Huy nanalo sa
It tells you kasi kung player siya o hindi, di ba?
Hindi, kasi meron namang mga players na, alam mo girl, ang player, kung player talaga siya at gusto niya maging player forever, magiging player siya forever. But if he want to change for a certain person, kaya niyang gawin yun. So kumbaga yun lang yung mga learnings ko over the years, di ba, of having relationships na pang matagalan din naman. But kung gusto talaga magloko ng tao, magloloko siya. At kung ayaw niya ipaalam sa'yo, hindi mo talaga malalaman yun. So, wala talaga tayong choice, di ba? But to accept reality.
Pero ang
Ganun
taong
talaga.
player ba, may pwedeng magbago? Isn't a player always a player?
I think pwede naman. Kung talagang choice nilang magbago. I think so.
Yeah. And it
think
shouldn't
so.
come from somebody else. It should be,
From him
His
mismo.
personal
Or from
decision.
her mismo.
so what is your opinion?
Ladies, you have to understand. Cherie,
Ano?
Phoebe.
Uma-acting na naman po
I
siya.
cannot relate in this conversation because Rico Robles is not a player. He's a coach.
What does that mean? Okay, sige.
May ano. At least
Labas ang clipboard.